highlighter styles. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Jordan 11 IE Low in the Vault colorway. Now, this colorway is part of a 3-shoe pack, which also includes the Rio Teal, which we've already done, as well as the Flash Crimson, which will be uploaded tomorrow. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the Jordan 11 Low box that has been coming out as of recent all this year. So it's the Jordan box with the prints and designs with various photos of Jordan's past, including the Winged logo and the Jumpman logo and a couple of retro cards and the Jordan 11 design as well on all 3 sides. And then the back is black. And the colorway is Vault and Cement Gray. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe utilizes a mostly Vault leather upper with cement gray overlay panels going around the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the Vault toe cap, and this is leather with the stitch detailing. And you've got the start of the overlay panel, which wraps around the shoe. Taking a look at the tongue, you've got the Vault tongue with the mesh detailing and the leather top, with the Jumpman logo also in Vault, and you've got a set of Vault laces to match. Taking a look at the insole, you've got the Vault insole with the Jumpman logo. For the lateral, you've got the Vault textured upper in leather, as well as the cement overlay panel with the mesh detailing in between each cement panel. Moving towards the heel, you've got the mesh detailing inside of the cement panel, which, like I said before, wraps around the entire shoe. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the textured upper with the mesh detailing inside the cement print overlay. The shoe features a Vault Phylon midsole, and you've got an icy translucent outsole with the carbon fiber shank plate and the Jumpman logo, as well as the traction pods also in Vault. Of the 3 shoes in this Jordan 11 highlighter pack, I think I like this colorway more, simply because the Vault and the gray just seem to mesh a little bit better than the other 2. Coming in second place to me is the Crimson Flash colorway, which, like I said, I'll review tomorrow. And third is the Rio Teal colorway. It just clashed too much for me. But this colorway is definitely solid. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Air Jordan 11 Low IE Vault hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on August 16th for a retail price of $170. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.